Next is the nomenclature of phenols. Now, phenols are the hydroxyl derivatives of benzene. Now, the common name of these phenols is the phenols, and the IUPAC name of these phenols is the benzenol. IUPAC name is the benzenol. Means on the benzene we are replacing E by OL, and then we are getting a benzenol according to the IUPAC name system. Also, phenol is accepted by the IUPAC system, and therefore we can say that according to the IUPAC nomenclature we can say that these are benzenol or phenols. In case of substituted phenols, in common name system we are using the ortho, meta and that of the para are the prefixes, and in case of IUPAC nomenclature we are giving the numbering to represent the substituted groups, and therefore we are giving 2, 3, 4 such type of numbering. So we are taking the examples. So if we are considering this example C6H5OH, the common name is phenol. Then C6H5OH CH3, it is the common name is O-cresol. That is the O means orthocresol, because in comparison to this hydroxyl group, the methyl group is attached at a ortho position, and therefore we are writing O-cresol. So this is ortho position, this is meta and para, this is meta ortho. So it will becomes the O-cresol or orthocresol. Now this is the nitrophenol, but it is the para-nitrophenol, as a relative to OH group. Nitro group is para, so ortho, meta and para, this is the para position, and therefore para-nitrophenol. So in common name system we are using prefixes ortho, meta and para. In that case it is the diol, the common name is the catechol. This is also the diol, but the position is different. In that case the position is 1, 3, and it is called a racemol. You have to remember, if the two hydroxyl groups are attached to adjacent carbon atom, then it is called a catechol, and if the two hydroxyl groups are attached to first and third carbon atom, then it is called a racemol. If it is attached to the first and fourth carbon, it is called a hydroquinol or quinol. Now there are 3 hydroxyl groups, so it is the triol, and what is the common name? So fluoroglucinol. It is also the triol, but the name is pyrogallol. It is the pyrogallol. Now in that case the hydroxyl group are attached to alternate carbon atom, and in this case the 3 hydroxyl groups are attached to the adjacent carbon atoms of the benzene ring. So it is called a pyrogallol. So that is all about the common names. You have to remember the common names. For that there is nothing such type of system just like IUPAC in the IUPAC name system. So you have to remember all these names of these phenols. Next we have to consider the IUPAC name. So as you know that these are called a benzenol or phenol. Phenol is also accepted by the IUPAC system. Then this compound is the, now you have to give the numbering. This is first carbon atom and this is the second. At second carbon atom there is will be a methyl group, so it will becomes 2-methyl phenol. In that case 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will becomes at fourth position there will be a substituted nitro group, so it will become the 4-nitrophenol. In that case it is the diol 1, 2. So it is the benzene 1, 2 diol. So the rules are same. Then it is benzene 1, 2 and 3. So benzene 1, 3 diol. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will become the benzene 1, 4 diol. Then there are 3 hydroxyl groups, so it is the triol. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will becomes the benzene 1, because hydroxyl group is attached to first carbon atom, third carbon atom and fifth carbon atom. So it will become the benzene 1, 3, 5 triol. 3 hydroxyl groups, so we have to write the prefix tri. So it will become the triol. So the name of this compound is the benzene 1,3,5 triol. In that case, so it will becomes 1, 2, and 3. It is also the triol, but it is benzene 1, 2, 3 triol. So in this way, you have to give the IUPAC names to the phenols.